Welcome to SLM. We specialize in premium quality solar floodlight, solar ceiling light, solar street light, solar fans, and all kind of solar products since 2009. You live in a remote area with no electricity or frequent power outages? Wouldn't it be great to reduce your electricity bill and help save the planet at the same time? We have a solar light solution for you. Our solar lights provide the best lumens to help light up your premises, and you don't have to pay a single cent on your electricity bill. The solar light is automatically turned on and off based on the sunset and sunrise schedule. It is super convenient. We use only high-performance LED chips from big brands for our products. They are super bright, long-lasting, and suitable for homes, factories, warehouses, parking areas, streets, and government buildings. With our years of experience installing solar lights, we can handle small home installation to large private and government projects. Ready to buy your solar lights now? Call us at 012-405-8791 or visit www.solarlight.com.my for your solar light projects.